everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing the newest, the highest technology robotic vacuum cleaner out there by my most favorite brand out there, NARWAL. So this is NARWAL Freo X Ultra robotic vacuum and mop. And guys, this is the very same robot that appeared at the CES 2024 in Las Vegas, where I was invited, but I couldn't go unfortunately because I had a trip to Belize. Well, this video is sponsored by NARWAL, and NARWAL told me that this is their most innovative robot cleaner ever. And well guys, before we are gonna get started with the review, all the links, all the coupon codes, all the discount codes, everything in the description box down below to this video. Well guys, let's get started from the Zero Tangle brush. This NARWAL Freo X Ultra comes with the internationally certified world's very first zero tangling floating brush, which eliminates the hassle of a hair cleanup. So the brush is designed in a specific way, and it is capturing a 99.56% of all the hair. It is SGS certified with a zero hair tangling rate, as well as TUV certified. The other brushes, from my experience, having all the same problem. They're all having a hair rubbing issues, as well as they are required constant hair maintenance, and the hair gets tangled easy at both ends of the roller as well. Well, things are different with this NARWAL Freo X Ultra robotic vacuum cleaner. It works on a single-sided balancing technology. This is an intelligent cleaning strategy. It is at 50 degrees of a tiled. So this is a tiled bristle brush. This design ensures that the hair floats in only one direction, and this is how all the hair will go directly to the dustbin and will not stay on the brush itself. It made with the cone-shaped spiral rubber strips, and these strips are built as an unequal sizes from all the side of the strip, and this is actually what prevents the hair from tangling in the middle of the roller brush as well as on the sides. The brush is attached from one side only, while the other end is floating. It is leaving this extra space for suction to the motor. Three of these together, creating a unique and the world's first design of a zero tangling aerodynamic floating brush. Then guys, this robotic vacuum cleaner comes with the highest suction power. This is a top tier 8200s of PA suction power. This is the highest suction power I've ever reviewed, and honestly I ever heard of. Maybe there is higher somewhere out there, I'm not sure, but to me that's the highest I've ever worked with, like I ever tested. So this robot cleans efficiently every mess thanks to this high suction power. It cleans up 99 plus particles from hard floors, and it have a powerful suction for any type of hair. So if you have pets, must have. It's best for pet hair, and it is a great performance on carpet. It have a fan speed which goes up to 60,000 rotations per minute, which let me compare it to the market. So usually out there the average will be 24,000, while this one goes for 60,000 rotations per minute. That's a lot. So it works fast, strong, and efficient. Thanks to this power, it can pick up anything, chips, for cereal, dust, and any type of debris which don't stand a chance even when buried in a deep carpet. So this one is best for carpets as well as best for vacuuming the hard floors. This robotic vacuum also have a tri-laser obstacle avoidance technology built in. This one is paired with the industry-leading mapping high technology. This Freo X Ultra avoids even the smallest and low-lying objects thanks to the millimeter precision lasers it works with. All the sensors or the lasers can absolutely tell what's going on in front of him, so he's never gonna crash into edges, into walls, or into even the smallest objects on your floors. It has an automated mop lifting, and that to avoid wetting your carpets. It is gonna automatically sense that there is carpet underneath, and it's gonna raise the mop pads 12 millimeters just to go suction only and to keep your carpets dry. Now guys, let's move on to the mopping capabilities of this robotic vacuum. So this NARWAL Freo X Ultra works on the world's first AI dirt sense high technology. This is keep on mopping while it is sensing the area it works on. This is how it works. It is mopping and wash the mop until it's clean. It is using sensors and AI algorithms to identify areas with a subborn stains, and it's gonna automatically re-mop the area, and it's gonna automatically wash the mop if needed and when needed until the floor meets the desired level of cleanliness. This dirt sense high technology algorithm vacuum is exclusive to Freo mod only. So this is how the deep cleaning gonna be so very easy for you. The dirt sense ensures that every single inch of your home is left clean and fresh, while you will just sit back and relax and have fun and basically spend this time with your family. The robot works on a dual spinning as well as on a scrubbing mops. So it have a constant pressure to produce the powerful grip, and the scrubbing abilities as well as wiping abilities are amazing. It is basically eliminating all the stains like coffee or milk or any other thing from your floors. It have 12 newtons downward pressure, which is twice the pressure that the competitors out there in the market are offering, as well as it have 180 RPM mopping abilities. The mops are made in a triangle shape, and this curved, specially designed triangle shape comes with a constant width just to ensure that there is no any uncleaned gap left in the middle. The material the mops are made of, it's a microfiber materials which holds in a better of 2 times dampness if I'm gonna compare it to the regular fiber. So they are way better to absorb any type of stains. They're made from a long fiber, so it could better collect the hard dust and work better on the stains. All that to avoid any type of scratching on our floors. This robotic vacuum comes with an all-in-one station which is completely free in your hands. It have an auto mop washing with the dirt sense. It's automatically gonna wash dirty pads until they are clean with a smart water and mop dirtness sensors. So the sensors are gonna know if it's clean already or not yet, and it's gonna wash the mops until they are pristine clean. Then the station works with an auto water exchange. The station is also have an auto detergent dispensing. So the robot comes with a NARWAL detergent already inside, and you basically install it, and the station is gonna automatically adding the detergent onto the robot while it's needed. This is an amazing clean solution, so there is nothing else you need to do. So it's gonna use the detergent anytime when it's needed. Then the station is gonna auto dry the mops with a heat of 40 Celsius degrees, which equals to 104 Fahrenheit degrees, just to dry the mop heads and to eliminate bacteria and any type of odors. The station also works on an auto mop dampness control, so the station gonna clean itself simultaneously as it is washes the mop. The station is also have an auto dust box drying. So after the cleaning, after finish the entire mission, it is gonna dry the dust box for about 45 minutes just to kill bacteria and any type of smells that can come from the dust bin. And the very last thing which is so cool about this newest NARWAL Freo X Ultra model is that it comes with a disposable dust bag. These are removable and they're just easier to replace, so there is no need to wash to clean the regular dust bin. It also came with a classic dust bin, so you can choose between using the disposable one or between using the regular one, whatever works for you. But the idea of this disposable dust bag is that it's easy to replace. You just simply remove the HEPA dust bag and you just throw it into the garbage. No mess and no fuss. No need to clean in the regular and classic way your dust bin like ever. This is only and only comes with the NARWAL Freo X Ultra model, and this is a 1 liter dust bag replacement. So each vacuum bag has a 1 liter capacity, and the robot comes with a 3-pack dust bag replacements, which meets a long-term replacement needs. The disposable dust bag comes with a HEPA filter, and yep, I just think it's an amazing opportunity and option for those who don't want to mess with the dust bin. And well guys, that's actually all the main tech points of this robot. There is obviously way more information, but we're gonna stay here for like a few hours if I'm gonna talk to you about all the high technology and all the sensors and all the possibilities of this robot. So I was able just to tell you the main thing, the main highest and newest innovations in the technology of this robot. So you're very welcome to check it out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box. And absolutely, this is the most favorite robot so far, and I love it. It works the best for me, and I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. As a summarize, I can absolutely assure you that this is the best robotic vacuum I've tried. I am honestly a big fan of NARWAL because the robots are the most innovative out there. They are the quietest. I've tested like at least 100 different vacuum robots because I am reviewing robots here at my channel for like the last 5 years. Basically, every few weeks I'm having a robotic vacuum cleaner review out here on my channel, so I can absolutely tell you that NARWAL is the most favorite brand out there. It's a pleasure to work with them. I'm so very proud to be sponsored by them. But like honestly, NARWAL, it's the most innovative, the highest technology robotic vacuum cleaners out there. I'm currently talking from my own personal experience. Let me know your experience or your opinion down below in the comments. Well, NARWAL robots are the quietest ones. They are the most accurate ones. They are the most aesthetically looking ones, in my personal opinion, once again. And they are just mopping and cleaning the floors in the best and correct way. I absolutely love the NARWAL Smart application, and well, this is my second NARWAL robot, and I am obsessed about my first one, and this one is like even better. So that was definitely an exciting review for me to make, because I am personally just a big fan of this brand. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments, and I will leave you all of the links as well as all the coupon codes, sales, discounts, promotions, all the possible and needed necessary information for you down below at the description box to this video of mine, so feel free to check it all out. And guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.